Amazon's going to bring about 250,000 seasonal, part-time, and full-time employees on for the U.S. holiday shopping rush. That's unchanged from last year. It's an indication that the company expects steady demand in its biggest market. Carol, I will say as of June 30th of this year, they had 1.532 million employees
on the payrolls. As we said, they employ a lot. All right, let's head to Atlanta and to Sandy Gordon. She's Amazon's Vice President of Global Operations, Employee Experience, and Relations. Sandy, great to have you here on Bloomberg Radio and Television. Tell us a little bit about how you guys determine demand for the year, how you make these projections, and maybe what your needs this year tell you a little bit about the market and the economic environment.
Yeah, Carol and Tim, it's nice to be with you all today, and thank you for taking the time. This is the time of the year when we begin preparing for what we do expect to be a busy holiday season. And as you stated, that preparation includes us hiring for 250,000 full-time and part-time seasonal roles across our customer fulfillment and transportation network in the U.S. And this is a diverse range of roles for applicants of all backgrounds and experience levels. We obviously take a look at what we project as our customer demand. We watch how we're performing in the year leading into the holiday, and that helps us to identify the volume of employees that we'll need, the number of employees that we'll need to meet our customers' expectations. And so we are really excited and ready to welcome back so many of our repeat seasonal employees. And we're happy to welcome new faces.
And customers, that's fair.
And customers, of course, and customers. I absolutely will say that.
Of which we all can certainly say, yep, Amazon customer, and certainly use it. Hey, Sandy, though, what you're seeing and your expectations for what you need for the holiday season tell you about how the economy is doing? As you know, we're Bloomberg. We talk a lot about soft landing, hard landing, what the outlook is. Do we miss a recession? How would you describe it based on your hiring needs and what you guys are expecting for the business come the holiday season?
I think we're projecting, what we're expecting, expected holiday growth in our customer demand. And I don't think we expect there to be anything less than that. I heard you at the opening say we're hiring similar to what we hired last year, and that is true. But that is the additional 250,000 complements our already existing more than 1 million Amazon employees. And each year we get smarter in the way that we do business and projecting what our customers will want to purchase and making sure that those items are close to them so that we're able to meet the commitment to get it there quickly. And so just through our typical behaviors of continuing to improve the way we operate, we're able to do more with our 250,000 additional seasonal employees.
It's not too early to be talking about this. I kind of said that yesterday when we spoke to Ali Furman over at PwC. She's consumer markets industry leader, and she shared with us some data about how consumers are projected to spend a record high of $1,638 per shopper this holiday season. It's up 7% over last year, but it's lower than the 15% increase that we saw the prior year. In terms of hiring, your seasonal employees that you're hiring this year is unchanged compared to last year. What can you tell us about what that reflects when it comes to demand?
I think it not much as it reflects to demand is more so the fact that we are continuing to find ways to deliver smartly for our customers. And in doing so, we have been spending a lot of time making sure that we can anticipate our customers' needs and ensure that the inventory is correctly placed so that it can get to them quickly. And we'll be able to do that with our employees, the 250,000 that we're adding to our already more than 1 million complement.